Today is July 16th. This is the unboxing of my canvas from CanvasHQ, and they had promised me it would arrive on July 27th, but here it is 11 days early, so I'm excited. It came in a package like this. It's 30-inch wide. It says fragile glass, and it says asterisk. Well, not really, but it's still fragile. And I noticed the shipping label up here is kind of torn off, but it still barely has my name and address. So let's see what's in here. This is a heavy cardboard box. I ordered the 1.5 inch thick canvas. It's got two cardboard boxes, both of them heavy duty, so I'll throw away the outside one. And now we'll get the inside box. At first glance, it looks exciting. And the piece of artwork is taped to this box, this inside box, so it doesn't shift around. And it's wrapped in plastic. The canvas is wrapped in plastic, as you can see. So let me throw away the inside box. Notice how it's all wrapped in plastic. And on the back, here is something that says hanging hardware instructions. So now I will cut it open. I know you can't see my face, but my dad would always make fun of me because when I was working on something, my tongue would stick out. So it's probably good you can't see my face. So here is the beautiful picture. My impression of it is gorgeous. And hear the drum sound. It's stretched nice and tightly. The pictures look very true to the way I photographed them. I'm very excited about it. I ordered the mirror wrap, which means this tree here on the side that ran off the image, it's mirrored to continue the image. This post is mirrored to continue the image. And likewise the fence, or the rail for the bridge continues around here. And that was added on by the mirror option that I chose. And the trees were mirrored also up there. So they did a great job of matching that where it's mirrored. It looks perfect as far as I can tell. I have no complaints, and I can feel that it has a very solid feel. It's not, when you look at the back, notice it's got a wire for hanging already, and it's a beautiful wire. It's a lot better than picture hanging wire. And look at the staples. The staples are like constant all along here, so there's no spot with no staples. And then look at the support brace in here. It supports the structure, but it doesn't stick out it doesn't touch the canvas, so it doesn't stick out. So it's not noticeable from the front. But the support brace and corner braces, which is gorgeous. I am incredibly impressed. And I know my client will be very, very impressed, because this was her Mother's Day present and birthday and anniversary present. So thank you very much, CanvasHQ.